Hello, hello. Mm. You always type that. I mean, with good basis, I guess. So, how is your day going? Nice, nice. Yeah, super nice. Yeah, that's a good question. I'm not entirely sure. So I got them to collide now. Not with me, but with each other. And they try to, you see, they try to dodge. Sometimes it gets a bit full, but I guess it's when you have too many and too little space that would happen. I guess you wouldn't have these, so many customers in one place this early. But yeah, they try to avoid stuff now, which is pretty nice. So now we need some. Would be nice with some feedback. When you try to like hover here, would be nice to see if they could like show some UI or something. So I guess that will be a good thing to do. It is definitely going to be great. It's going to be the best. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to show the UI though. We have like a huge widget here. Don't remember how to do like 3D UI like in the world stuff. So I guess this is what I need to figure out. Okay, cool. So can probably create some UI here. But how has your day been? What do you mean you missed? You missed my live. Like that you missed one time or you have to evolve the statement. Ah, yeah. I haven't really had time. I've done a lot of stuff, but I think like in 2 weeks I will have a bunch of time, and then I will go on vacation in what is it? Yeah, about 2 weeks and a bit more. So then I will have way more time. So then it might be back to daily actually. We will see. I might want to, enjoy the weather and stuff, but besides that, I will have a bunch of time to make games. Okay, cool. So now we can have this beautiful interact. Now we can like show a icon here on what button you should interact with. I think I have some fun things laying around. Oh, you're are you on vacation for 3 months, or is school time out at this point? Because, I mean, being off for 3 months sounds amazing. Yeah. So do you start, will you keep studying back in August, or are you going to a big boy job? Oh, but that's nice. Doing some fun studying. I mean, studying is, it's really nice. You get to every day just learn stuff, which might be harder later on in life. Sounds so old now. Yo, what's up? I mean, this dude is... Oh, I feel so bad for him, but he had probably the best intro ever. No, actually, I just put it as a title. I don't have a name yet. What would you name it? If you get to pick. You can help me pick a name. Like Super Chop, yeah, maybe. It's not a bad name, but might be somewhat too generic. No, you should definitely pick a name while going. And yeah, it's nice, hearing ideas. will never say no to any ideas, you know? So give me some suggestions. That is way too small. Way too small. Like, I have perfect eyesight, but even I can't see that small. Yeah, that's maybe a bit better. Super Shopkeeper 1000. Why not 9000? But yeah, that's a good first idea. Yeah. So I'm looking for some nice icon assets now. I'm just gonna pull everything in. Would probably be easier that way. Import. I don't know if you can see in the corner, but it's stacking up. I wonder how many assets this actually was. And I wonder what the difference between double and not double is. I'm not sure that this game will be too different. It's not really like I have a like this has a grand scheme of anything. Okay, so this is double and this is default. I think I like double. Or am I just deluding myself? This will be perfect. Nice, I can just copy and then paste, maybe? Oh, nice, it worked. This is probably like one of the best features in Unreal. It's like a property matrix where you can just edit everything. Just highlight whatever you need and just boom. Now they look correct. That's perfect. Yeah, definitely. I will try to make this somewhat of a, I guess, a cozy, like a cozy low poly style. I got some nice. Oh, I can like reuse the art assets from the other game. I can put the nice forest around it and stuff. Will probably work nice. You could have a shop in the middle of the forest. That would probably work out. Yeah, that's... Ah, I like that idea. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, it's good that you're learning from me then. Yeah, Jungle Supermarket. Yeah, that's there probably isn't any game called that too. Let's see. Let's Google. Jungle Supermarket. There is a Jungle Gyms International Market, but that's like a real market. I mean, there are a bunch of games called Supermarket, like Supermarket Simulator, Supermarket Together, My Supermarket, Farming and Supermarket Simulator, Supermarket Times. Damn, there's a bunch of supermarket simulators. Supermarket Manager, Supermarket Maker. I guess Supermarket Maker would probably be... Yeah, it's not close to what I'm doing. Not at all, actually. Okay, yeah, there are actually a bunch of supermarket games, but just browsing through, none of them are what I'm making, so problem solved. Like, I'm really bad at art, but there is a bunch of these games that look really bad. But who am I to judge? Okay, let's see. Should it be like this? Or should it be an outline? That is the question. Yeah, it's actually a bit jungly. This is just, yeah, working out, as they say. Hello, hello. I am back. And yeah, I agree with you. It looked way better on the side compared to above. And I am back. I am back indeed. But yeah, and I kind of want to add something that would stack, like, so you need to interact for a while. But let's start with this at least. And I think black was better. It didn't blend too much with the environment. So we need to add to all of these. Should add an interface or something. I wonder, is there a particular interface? Interface. Named interface. Let's look this up. Unreal Interface C++. Oh yeah, there is a U interface. U interface. I can't find it. Too many stuff. So the game is about you managing a shop, basically. So you have a bunch of people coming in, taking your groceries, going to the cashier, and you're supposed to stack the shelves and other stuff. So I guess that is the game. But yeah, okay, cool. We have interfaces here. So far, what I got is them coming here. You can run here, pick up an item. They will take something from the shelf. You can restock it, run back, restock it. My plan is to add like upgrades to the person, so you can take up multiple things from the rack here. And then, yeah, so you don't need to run back and forth as much. Then they will come to the cashier, you will just take the payment, they will leave, and maybe some new people will come. And as you can see, now they're sad, walking around, looking for stuff. Shelves are empty, customers mad. But yeah, I want to start giving the game some feedback, making sure that everything is interactable. This class does not need to be modified. Cool. And we can add void start interact. Allow interaction. Release. Yeah, that is my plan. Same thing with, like, if you don't take the payment soon enough. That is something I actually have today. We can I can show you. I can let them run around in the background while doing some coding here. But yeah, they get mad. They leave. I don't think it will ever be a robot. That would be fun to add, honestly. But I would need I would need some assets for that, which I don't have. Okay, cool. So we're adding the interactable interface. Okay, so let's stock some more shelves in hope that someone will go to the line. Oh, there. Okay, so he will stand there for, I think I set it to somewhere between 10 and 60 seconds. But yeah, they're running out of things. And I need to add like a queue system, because now they're trying to avoid each other, but they can't, and they all want to stand in the same place. So you can see like this dude, he's he's like hovering around. Yeah, you see, now they got mad and they leave. And I guess the point is there for yeah, the all of the assets are currently Kenny assets. I got some other assets coming, so, but probably like I saw his asset pack, like supermarket asset pack, and I was like, yeah, I can make a game with this. Or were yeah, they leave, they get mad, they leave. Like probably good enough. Oh right, yeah, the queue system. I need some queuing system, so like they can all just take a point, like an attachment point. Currently there is like the start of a queue point, and my goal is for them to the queue point to just move backwards with a certain interval. And yeah, that would probably, so all of them could just grab a queue point, and then they would just shuffle forward as needed. And yeah, if they get mad, they can leave. And then I need to add some more queuing logic here. I guess it could be like in the cache reg interaction. Thank you. Appreciate the nice words. Okay, cool. Let's implement. Well, have a nice day. Hope to see you back, if I'm still live. Okay, so we should allow interaction. Oops. And then that should probably trigger the UI, and then we got the release interaction. Cool, probably something like that. And then it could trigger the above UI thing, so you know that you can interact with it. And yeah, will be great. Okay, why did the compile fail? Unresolved external symbol. Ah, okay. I probably haven't. I did include it. I haven't done this in Unreal before, so I need to look this up. Let's see how something else has done it. Okay, U asset tool, cool. And then they have a class called iAsset tool. And then, oh, okay. So you need to declare it as like pure function. Yeah, pretty much. Making the UI. Or at least, I guess, making the UI might sound big, but making it work. Okay, so it worked. So now I got our little player here. I guess like on every update, we should do some drawing here. Cool. I can remove this. And I should be able to get the actor. I wonder if you need to cast it in some particular way. Unreal Interface, C++. How do I check if something... I wonder if I can just cast it. Okay, you can get the class, you can check if it implements... Okay, so there are 3 ways of doing it. You can check the class, you can check the implement, or you can cast it. Okay, so we should just be able to cast it here. Cast iInteractable. I'm not sure if this ever could be null, but if it can. Cool, and then we should be able to do an allow interaction, and we should cache this value. So whenever you have one, we can release the interaction of the last one if we can't find anything to hit. When you see what do you mean, why are people not joining? Can't force people to join. You're the life of the party, man. You're the best. And you know, yeah, we do this slowly but steadily. I mean, why would they? I think you need to see this from the other direction. And that is, why would they? I mean, I find myself can't think too highly of myself, you know. Maybe I need to change that. Okay, so we can have like a widget component. It can be interaction comp. All of this could probably inherit from a single thing, but I mean, that's very nice of you. But don't feel obligated in any capacity to do that. Cool, so we can make this fun interaction. Should include that. And then let's set it up as an attachment. So now we can probably implement this on all like shelves, all the spawners and stuff. Ah, yeah. Nice with some coding buddies. What are you currently working on? What's the current coding situation? We can zoom in. I don't know. Yeah, we can zoom in for a bit now. I don't super mind this. We'll probably not keep it forever, but yeah, we can zoom just a bit. But I need to figure out why. No registration. Decal space, no registration, component, interaction component. I wonder if this widget component is in some weird library. UMG. Maybe I don't have it here. It's like UMG, probably. Nope. Okay. Might have worked. It's weird that you can just include things and it doesn't really say that, oh shit, I'm missing the actual library. Somewhat annoying. Hopefully this is the correct answer. Otherwise, looks silly. Okay, nice, it was the correct answer. So now when we allow the interaction, we can set the visibility probably true. And this would just set it to false. Are you Ashraf? Whatever, Jammer. Are you watching on a cell phone? Or do you have really bad eyes? Maybe both. Maybe both. Cool, we should be able to disable this. Oh no, something broke. I was out yesterday, so probably. So this is like it's like a really rough day for me. Right, I need to, if this actually hits something, I need to make sure that this actually isn't null anymore. Yeah, it's I get that after drinking. Or yelling, maybe both. I mean, I wish I would have this voice all the time, so I don't sound like a helium balloon. Or that is at least how I see myself. A big helium balloon. It works. But it looked like it flashed immensely big. Do 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 do. Oh my god. It wasn't intentional, but it fades in too, which is super nice. But I don't understand why. So this like laser pointer is supposed to be the actual range, but it feels like it's touching sooner. Touching tips. Oh, hello, hello. Yeah, long time no see. Yeah, I'm speaking now. Actually, it's been like this for a while now. Oh, it works. Cool. You see? Why did that happen? Like here it shouldn't touch. Oh my god. The blurriness. Like, is this how blind people see the world? Or people with glasses? Or I guess people without glasses who need glasses. That would be I guess the correct way of seeing it. But I guess also blind people. Or semi-blind people. Yeah, the camera does need glasses. It is a effect that I quite like. So when I'm gonna zoom in this effect just a bit to make the edges just a tiny bit blurrier. Or first I'm gonna try it with full screen. Okay, never mind, I don't wanna do it. Because when you have full screen and a reasonable resolution, the tilt shift effect actually works. Currently it just looks semi-blurry. You see? What? Why? That shouldn't happen. I shouldn't even be close. Okay, so we have the start point, end point, visibility. So if we hit an actor, we get an interactable tool, and now we can probably add Let's add the player. There. Didn't have it up. And this should just have an I interactable. Pointed to it, cached, interactable. So if it's not and we have a cached interactable, we should release it. Release interaction. And if we can't hit anything, we should release it. But if we hit something, whoops. This should always be the thing that we hit. But if we hit something, they're not the same, and this is not null, then this should be released. And this will make more sense when we add more things to interact with. But for now, this should do the trick. No, it crashed. Oops. Okay, why? Ah, oops. Does not equal a null pointer. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, it's up again. Now we should compile it, it should work, and we should all be happy. No, it crashed again. Okay, what did I do this time? 54? Ah, okay, so if I don't hit anything. Makes sense. Cool. So if we don't hit anything, we should then set this to we should always release them. Because otherwise it just crashes. Yeah. Okay. And then go, and then interact, and then... I mean, why is an interaction here happening? Why? Okay, this requires some serious debugging. Because that should really not happen. mean, that happens all the time. Compiler problems all the time. Okay, so why? This makes no sense. So if I now add a breakpoint. Okay, so I'm looking the other way here. What is happening? So the world location is 870. The end location is 830. The hit result, distance. What? Okay, so get actor location, get capsule component forward vector, distance 100, location. So where does it assume that the actor here is? Get location, get actor location. Due to compiler optimizations. Sad, sad, sad. Get actor. How about this? Nope. Not that one either. Okay, I need to probably rebuild the game, but with debugging. That is probably something I hate the most with C++. Like, the compiler just strips away everything I need to do the debugging, and then I need to compile it again, and I need to like enable a bunch of crap. But yeah, that's the way. I don't understand how other compilers can do it so much better. Probably legacy reasons, but oh, what do I know? Well, if I just had a better CPU, the compiling would be faster. I'm just looking for dumb reasons to buy new hardware. I mean, I just need to like justify it for myself. I don't know why. Again, why not buy new hardware? Okay, we're back. So now can okay, so now it's working. What the fuck? Okay, no, it's not working. Perfect. Or not perfect, but perfect for debugging reasons. Okay, cool. Now, this is my location, this is my endpoint. I'm not sure the endpoint. Okay, yeah, the endpoint makes sense. We got the actor here. So what is the location of this? What do you mean? What do you mean it's called? Why is it gone? I just want a transform. Why does this not want to give me the transform? What are you hiding? Okay, so the impact point here is 869225. So if we create like a box, where the fuck did that box end up? Okay. Okay, I maybe don't want a box brush. I just want a cube. Nice cube. Okay, don't save. Sorry. Basic. Point. Okay, fuck it. It can be a point light. And the impact was minus 870. Okay, makes sense. Minus 225. See? This is not even close to overlapping. What the fuck is it hallucinating? I really don't understand this. This makes no sense. Probably, yeah, probably. You should just break your code again, please. No, but for real, this makes no sense. Unless, like... So the hitbox of this must be huge. Which doesn't make sense either. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, I don't care too much about fixing this. It would just have to be a bit buggy for now, and I will look into if I should only trace against like fixed boxes. I guess that will probably be my solution to this. But besides that, I think we should make a couple of changes. But let's start with implementing this interactable feature for all of them. Allow interaction, void release interaction. Base shelf. Based shelf. Cool. I should probably make this a base class of some sort, but it has too few overlapping things, and I can just do it for free. Free stuff. That's fine. I'm not a big fan of inheritance anyway, so... Okay, now my spawn points will be mega broken, but that's okay. Some forward declarations. Okay, so now they have that one. Interactable. I would love to have just a button of like, hey, generate some all my missing members. Missing. Oh my god, there is a button for it. But it was way off, so guess I will never use it. Set visibility true, set visibility false. Yeah, one-liners can be real dangerous, especially if you're like, hey, this is probably an easy fix, and then it's never an easy fix. I don't know how many times people have made that exact problem. You just assume the things aren't connected in any way, and you make the smallest change, and it has the biggest issue. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. What's up? Okay, cool. So now let's implement it for the rest of them. I wonder if I pressed the compile button before I left. Probably not. Probably should have. Back with some delicious coffee. Can add the not sure if it picks it up, but Slurp, slurp. Okay, sweet. Got the widget. So the best part about me not rotating the world, then I can just have this in a single direction. I don't need to billboard this, or I don't need to do anything. I just need to place it. Then we have our simple shelf. Paste the same. Add the interaction. Now when we have these, we can set the visibility to be off by default. Oh, looky here. Okay, so clearly the hitboxes are a bit too big. I guess that will be the next issue to fix, because, like, what the fuck? It's like not even close. Like, I know. Perfect. Okay, these actually worked. Okay, next up, fixing interaction boxes. Because I mean, like, look at this. How? Like, I don't know. I can make the screen bigger, but you can see like the red drawing thing. Like, this is not even close. This is this makes no sense. But that's the name of the game. So I think we can add... Okay, so it's either adding custom physics colliders or custom physics points, or it is adding custom collider things. I've added one before. Now I just need to find it and add another one. Oh, okay, collision here. Yeah, I know. Should give them names again. Maybe some more controversial names. Okay. We have this visibility channel. We want to add a game trace. So I guess it's like a trace channel. Call them interactables. And the default thing should just be to ignore them. And if I remember correctly, I need to restart the engine for them to show up. And that is probably the game trace too. We can check in the overview. The overview player that I made. Yeah, game trace channel 1, so game trace channel 2 probably. But yeah, the AIs, they're working. They're doing what they're supposed to do. So we should be able to see here. Okay, so I should make the box maybe a smudge smaller. Because now this actually, it will matter now. Cool. Let's see. We have this base here, which is correct. But like I said, I need to restart. Hate like needing to restart engines just for some changes to go through. Or maybe I'm just missing something. Trace responsibility. Now we can add it to block that, because this shouldn't happen anything. And now, okay, here it doesn't happen anything either. That's not good. Not good. Not good. So probably there was some other tracing type. Let's just add a trace type. Interactables. Okay, so it needs to be an object response. Good on me, good on me. Interactables. Object. Default should just be to ignore. Okay, now we can make this work again. Okay, cool. Okay, now I can block the interactable object. And nothing. No. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I haven't compiled, and that might be the issue. Trace channel 2. Nope, nothing, nothing. Collisions enable should generate hit events. Collision presets. I'm not sure actually. Might be that it's not a mesh. Then like we are not tracing correctly, maybe. Object type. Maybe it should be that. Maybe I'm just nope, wasn't that either. I wonder how I did with this one. I just set the floor to be... Okay, so it blocks the base trace. So the idea is for me to only do ray tracing, or not ray tracing, line tracing towards boxes that I specify. But in this case, I'm not sure why it's not generating events. We can try like hit events. Because here it should show the thing. So here if I like set this to EEC, and then just visibility, ECC, ECC, and then like visibility, then it will trace against everything and I can just deduce from that what is correct or not. But it seems like the hitboxes are too big, so now this looks like bad, like real bad. So I only want to trace against boxes I pick. But I don't understand why it's not playing ball. You can have up to 18 custom channels, including objects and trace channels. This is the list of blah blah blah. I don't know. Let's try the third one. Since it said you can have up to 18 channels, you can have up to 18 custom channels. Okay, cool. Okay, so I was just looking at the wrong one. Okay, then this makes sense. Now I can just add them everywhere. Yeah, exactly. Now it works. Okay, perfect. And then let's set this to custom, then set this to interactable objects, and then block and block. One day I will learn what the difference is between these. That one, then block, then block. Kind of want to do hello, Mr. I mean, close enough to Rolex, I guess. Is that a Danish? Is that a Danish Ö? Or is it Danish O? Danish? Or a German, maybe. Maybe a German Ö. Okay, cool. Interact. Cool. Do you see how nice these boxes now are? So now you actually need to be close enough to interact with them. Cool. And then okay, nice. Now these doesn't shit. This can be a world dynamic. Hopefully this works. Otherwise I need another point. Okay, cool, it still works. I wonder if the interactions now are working. Probably not. Did I update that? Yeah, now it works. You can see these lovely cubes around them. But I feel like something isn't working here. But first, this works good enough, so I can save this, so in case I break it, I can go back. Always use version control. Okay, let's see. Let's trace log temp warning text. Found it. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, it found it. Nice. And then we should... Oh, nice, it works. Pew-pew. So now I know that this works. Perfect. Cool. So I'm thinking, how should the character... Okay, one, I have a bunch of rigs. Don't know why. Don't need it anymore. Bye-bye. Okay, maybe not that scary. Blueprint. So I'm wondering if I should add like a backpack almost. So if I have this like bag here. I wonder if that would, like if you pick something up, right? Okay, this looks really weird. It's not really following the animations. I need like an attachment point to the mesh. And I have no clue how to do that in Unreal. So maybe I will look that up later. But I can use this as like a starting point for the feature. So you know that you have actually picked up a item. I just spilled some coffee on my mouse. That will work out great. But cool. I can probably, yeah, let's just attach this. Yeah, exactly. Let's add it to the character. Cheers, cheers indeed. So we can add this static mesh component. I don't know what to call it. Let's call it interacted bag, I guess. I'll just call it backpack. I feel like that is kind of what it is. But still not. It's like close enough, right? So you got your little backpack, set up attachment to root. Or maybe get capsule component. Get capsule component. Capsule component. Yeah. This will be great. Cool. So now you got your backpack. And then let's move this. And let's put a bag here. Remove the old bag. Cool. And now you got your little backpack. One thing that I might do in the future, that would be super fun. So there's this game called Overcooked. And it's like how the characters are running with they're like holding it in their arms. It's super cute. So I might be able to do that later. But for now, let's have this lovely, lovely backpack. So we got this holding item. And then this needs to turn it into false. Then we can add a backpack. Can set visibility to false and visibility to true. And I guess since you're never holding anything, it will always be false at the beginning of the game. Okay, cool. So now you can boop, get your bag. Get your bag. I will put it back. And before you could like add a bunch of it, but now you can't, so that's perfect. Ah, there are too many. There are too many. Oh. Like they're cutting the queue. That's not cool. Not cool at all. I don't want to do this. Bye bye. Bye world. Like if you don't want to take care of the store anymore. I just love that the camera just keeps panning because it's following. You can like slightly see the panning. Yeah, it was a sad moment. What is a pilot nav mesh? Move the selected actor around using the viewport controllers. Ah, okay, cool. Yeah, he really said goodbye. Like, if you don't wanna... if your store ain't doing great, you know, there is an option out. Okay, so now we got the interaction working. That's sweet. I will commit this. Yeah. Tragic day for Dave the cashier. I feel like I should fix the cash registry. It's always a new worker. Can add like a... He needs a name tag. I don't know. Dave feels suitable here. Cool. So now we got Dave here. So I just need to... Okay, it can be 10. Then I just need to move it up a bit. Maybe to the side. Let's make it a bit smaller. Dave. So you will never see it, but you just will know that it's there. If you zoom in. Alright, it becomes blurry. Yeah, Dave. Dave the shopkeeper. Dave the blurry shopkeeper. The blurred shopkeeper. Okay, next thing, the cash registry. Yeah, it's definitely an Easter egg. So we should be able to like get the queue position here. So just to make sure that I'm not delusional, let's do a tick. So we can draw some round cubes. So I kind of want to get the queue position. Then like draw debug sphere. So we have the store point. it should be get world. Then the start point and the radius could be like 25, 10, and then let's make it red. F color red. So now I should be able to draw some points here. And then we can like create a queue backwards from there. No, can't see it. Why not? Probably the queue pos is probably very low. Maybe it's too small. That didn't work either. It can probably be because I have set this to false, so it's never ticking. Allow tick, yeah, here. Okay. Now it's way too big. Okay. I'm just gonna do this somewhere else. That will be easier. Start with tick. Enable, tick, tick, tick. Disable, disable. I'm drawing it in begin play. Of course it isn't working. Why didn't you say anything? I trusted you, man. I trusted you. But now I am disabled. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Now, okay, we're good. We're good. And then we should just get the get forward. Get actor forward vector. So we can draw this for like 10 points or something. Forward. So I think this will be in the wrong direction now, but could be a good start. Nothing happened. That was a bad start because I'm not drawing it, of course. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is in the totally wrong direction. And that is because... Okay, so this is forward, I guess. Oh no. So red is forward. Let's do, instead of forward vector, Get actor right, Victor. Okay, so now it's queuing, but queuing in the wrong direction. So if we just multiply this by -1, we should be fine. Voila. So now when we get the QPOS, we can do something like this. Okay, so we add our solve to the queue position, and then we probably fetch it before. Yeah. We can do this for now. So, like each step could be something like 50, and then the amount of people in the queue. And then we can return queue point, get QPOS. Cool. And this should then work. So now they should pick queue positions in a like reverse order. Recursive. Oops. Ah. Smart. So now now they shouldn't like try to gang up on a single position. They should be way more nice to each other. Okay, they still pick like a queue point at the start and not as a like floating target. So if two people queue up at the same time, they won't really be queuing. Okay, so this needs to be like, I guess, somewhat more dynamic. Would be nice, like returning a transform instead. Not sure. Like adding actors. let's keep it like this for now. It's good enough for now. Sometimes they will just have to fight over some positions. Okay, I will probably take a break here. Might be back later. Nice seeing you here as always. So have a great day.